Hello everyone, today we're diving into the features of the BLACK+DECKER String Trimmer, electric, 14-inch model Bestas 620, a powerful tool designed to make your yard work a breeze. With its innovative EASYFEED system, you can advance the line with just the push of a button, eliminating the need for bumping. The 6.5 amp motor combined with POWERDRIVE Transmission ensures maximum performance, effortlessly tackling the toughest weeds, grass, and overgrowth. This versatile 2-in-1 tool easily converts from a lawn trimmer to a wheeled edger with a simple rotation, thanks to its wheeled edge guide. Its lightweight design, along with adjustable handle and height positions, provides maximum comfort and control, making it easy to maneuver around your yard. Plus, the cord retention system is a thoughtful addition, preventing accidental disconnections during use. With a 14-inch cut path, this trimmer gets the job done quickly and efficiently, making it an essential tool for any homeowner looking to maintain a pristine lawn. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.